Imagine being able to turn a small sum into a fortune, or paying off a mountain of debt in record time. Sounds impossible? Well, it isn't. This is the power of financial success, a potent force that can transform lives. It's a journey, not a destination, and it all starts with understanding the principles of money management, financial literacy, and smart decision-making. Consider this. You don't have to be born into wealth to achieve financial prosperity. It's not about how much money you make, but how you manage, save, and invest it. From a school teacher who became a millionaire through disciplined saving and wise investing, to a young entrepreneur who turned a brilliant idea into a thriving business, financial success stories are all around us. So are you ready to explore these remarkable stories and possibly write your own? Stay tuned as we delve into some real-life success stories in finance that will inspire you to take charge of your own financial destiny. Ever heard of the term compound interest? It's often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. Let's take a journey through the life of Jane, who discovered this wonder quite early. At the tender age of 20, Jane started putting aside a small chunk of her paycheck every month into an investment account. Over the years, her investments grew not just from her contributions, but from the interest earned on the interest. That's the magic of compound interest. It's interest on interest, making your money grow at an accelerating rate over time. Fast forward to 30 years later, Jane's modest monthly investments have grown into a substantial nest egg. Compound interest didn't just add to her money, it multiplied it. This isn't a tale of getting rich quick, but a testament to patience, consistency, and the silent power of compound interest. The miracle of compound interest can work wonders for anyone who understands its power and leverages it wisely. Imagine being buried under a mountain of debt and then emerging debt-free in a few years. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's a dream that has come true for many. Let's talk about John, a regular guy with a regular job who found himself under an avalanche of debt. Credit cards, student loans, car loans, you name it, he had it. The amount? A staggering $60,000. That's more than many people earn in a year. John felt like he was sinking, the weight of his debt pressing down on him every single day. But then, John decided to turn things around. He started with smart budgeting. He analyzed his income and expenses meticulously and identified areas where he could cut back. Dining out and unnecessary shopping were the first to go. He started cooking at home and became a fan of thrift shops and sales. His lifestyle changed dramatically, but it was a change he embraced wholeheartedly. Next, he focused on disciplined spending. John made a rule to only spend on necessities and saved every possible penny. He started using cash instead of credit cards for his expenses, which helped him to avoid accumulating more debt. He also began to pay off his debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. John also picked up a side hustle using his skills to earn extra income. Every dollar he made from this went straight towards paying off his debt. The journey wasn't easy. It took a lot of sacrifice, discipline, and sheer determination. But after 3 years of relentless effort, John stood on top of that metaphorical mountain of debt, not buried underneath it. He had paid off every single penny. He was debt-free. John's story is not unique. There are countless others who have achieved this feat, proving that it's not an impossible task. It requires a blend of strategic planning, discipline, and the will to change one's lifestyle. Being debt-free might seem like a far-fetched dream, but with determination, discipline, and a solid plan, it can become a reality. Entrepreneurship is a tough journey, but it can also be incredibly rewarding, especially when it leads to financial freedom. Let's consider the story of Jane, a savvy entrepreneur who started from the ground up. Jane began her journey with an idea, a vision for a product that would revolutionize her industry. She faced many challenges, from financial constraints to market skepticism, but Jane was undeterred. She was strategic, focusing on slow, steady growth rather than quick profits. She reinvested her earnings back into the business, improving her product and expanding her customer base. Jane's crucial decisions were driven by the understanding that success is a marathon, not a sprint, and her perseverance paid off. Today, Jane's business is thriving, providing her with the financial freedom she once only dreamed of. Entrepreneurial success might not come easy, but when it does, it can change your financial landscape forever. We hope these stories have inspired you and shown you that financial success is attainable. Let's recap the key takeaways from these real-life success stories. First, we delved into the power of financial success, emphasizing the importance of financial literacy and discipline. It's not just about making money, it's about making smart decisions with that money. Next, we explored the miracle of compound interest, the secret to growing wealth over time. It's not about instant gratification, but about patience and consistency. Then, we shared a triumphant tale of becoming debt-free, illustrating the power of discipline and determination. Overcoming financial hurdles requires commitment and a well-thought-out plan. Lastly, we celebrated entrepreneurial success, underscoring the importance of innovation and risk-taking in financial success. It's about turning ideas into reality, and turning reality into prosperity. Remember, your financial destiny is in your hands. Make the right decisions today to create a financially successful tomorrow.